Embark on a delectable journey across the globe as we explore the vibrant and mouth-watering world of street food. Let us begin in Southeast Asia, where the streets are alive with the aroma of sizzling satay. Originating in Indonesia, this skewered and grilled meat is marinated in a blend of traditional spices, offering a savory bite that pairs perfectly with rich peanut sauce. Moving north, we arrive in Thailand, famous for its pad thai. This dish expertly combines stir-fried rice noodles with an array of ingredients such as tofu, shrimp, eggs, and sprouts, topped with crunchy peanuts and a hint of lime for a dish that's as visually stunning as it is delicious. Our journey takes us westward to the bustling streets of India. Here, the air is filled with the enticing scent of spices. A standout is the beloved samosa, a triangular pastry stuffed with potatoes, peas, and a symphony of spices. Often accompanied by tangy chutneys, this street food offers a delightful crunch with every bite. Equally inviting is chaat, a medley of crunchy and soft textures, marked by a burst of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors that captivate the palate. Crossing into the Middle East, we encounter the much-celebrated falafel, deep-fried balls of chickpeas, or fava beans, spiced to perfection. Falafels are a staple found in many bustling Middle Eastern markets. Wrapped in soft pita bread with fresh vegetables and drizzled with tahini sauce, this dish is as nutritious as it is tasty. The streets of Africa are next on our map. In Nigeria, the roadside stalls serve suya, a spicy meat skewer seasoned with a unique blend of peanut and spices known as yaji. It provides a fiery hit tempered by the earthy peanut notes, creating an unforgettable taste experience. Meanwhile, in South Africa, try the bunny chow, a half loaf of bread hollowed out and filled with aromatic curry. This unique dish offers both a savory meal and a satisfying method of enjoying curry. Let's whisk ourselves across the Atlantic to the lively markets of Latin America. Mexico enchants with its tacos, where soft corn tortillas cradle a variety of fillings, succulent meats, fresh vegetables, and vibrant salsas. The complexity of flavor, balanced by simplicity of ingredients, makes tacos a universal favorite. In Brazil, savor the coxinha, a deep-fried dough filled with shredded chicken, seasoned richly and shaped like a teardrop, an irresistible bite of comfort food. Finally, we land in Europe, a continent where innovation meets tradition. In Belgium, indulge in the iconic Belgian fries, twice fried to achieve a perfect crunch, often served with a variety of sauces and toppings. And in Italy, feel the irresistible pull of gelato, a creamy frozen treat that offers intense flavors, from pistachio to hazelnut. Our culinary adventure has taken us from the aromatic stalls of Asia to the lively markets of South America, revealing not only the flavors of global street food, but the stories each dish holds. Next time you wander the streets of a distant city, let the aromas guide you to a deeper understanding of its culture, one delicious bite at a time.